Hello there, my name's Olivia, and today I'm going to make another story of hide and seek of Sonic the Hedgehog. It's a story. Let me show you Sonic. If you don't want me to show you Sonic again, just skip the video. Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Let's start. See you in part 2.